Imagine stepping onto a bus that drives itself, gliding silently through city streets. Trucks transporting goods travel hundreds of kilometers without burning a drop of diesel. Entire transport networks adjust to traffic, weather, and energy needs in real time. This is not science fiction. This is happening right now in China. Cities are deploying autonomous buses in public transit, hydrogen-powered heavy trucks, and compact driverless shuttles for last-mile solutions. These vehicles are not prototypes. They are operational today, scaling rapidly, and redefining urban mobility and freight transport. From Shenzhen's Level 4 buses navigating city streets autonomously, to hydrogen trucks traveling 600 kilometers on a single refill, China is demonstrating how technology can make transport safer, cleaner, and more efficient. In this video, we explore 10 of the most futuristic buses and trucks that are shocking the world. Watch carefully. The future of transport is already on the road, and it's coming faster than you think. Trend number 1. Autonomous public transit buses. China is leading the world in autonomous public transit deployment. Cities like Chengdu and Beijing have Level 4 buses operating on real public routes, carrying passengers without drivers. These buses are equipped with LiDAR, radar, and high-definition cameras. AI predicts pedestrian and cyclist behavior, adjusts braking, steering, and acceleration instantly, and ensures smooth, safe rides. Multi-layer redundancy guarantees safety even if a sensor fails. The Apolong bus, one of China's first autonomous buses, uses cloud-connected AI systems to plan routes, detect obstacles, and make real-time decisions. These buses are fully insured and government-approved, building public trust in autonomous transit. Passengers benefit from precise schedules, reduced delays, and smoother journeys, while cities gain safer streets, lower traffic congestion, and more reliable public transit. Autonomous buses are not just vehicles. They are intelligent agents reshaping urban mobility, offering a glimpse of a future where transit operates efficiently without human drivers. Trend number 2. All-around autonomous driving. In cities like Shenzhen, autonomous buses are part of a fully integrated smart city ecosystem. Traffic lights, roadside sensors, and cloud platforms communicate with vehicles in real time, allowing dynamic routing and speed optimization. These buses anticipate congestion, reroute automatically, and adjust braking and acceleration for changing weather conditions. AI predicts pedestrian and cyclist movements, while emergency maneuvers are executed without delay. Companies like WeRide and Baidu Apollo are partnering with local authorities to expand autonomous networks, ensuring buses operate efficiently even in dense, complex traffic conditions. Autonomous buses have become part of everyday public transport, serving thousands of commuters reliably and safely. Passengers enjoy faster, smoother rides, while cities experience reduced accidents, congestion, and pollution. These buses act as intelligent mobility agents, coordinating with other vehicles and traffic systems to maintain seamless urban transportation. Trend number 3. Hydrogen fuel cell and zero-emission buses. Hydrogen fuel cell buses are a long-range, zero-emission solution for urban and intercity transit. Unlike battery electric buses that require hours to recharge, hydrogen buses can refill in minutes and travel over 600 kilometers per refill. Silent and clean, these buses emit only water vapor, reducing both noise and air pollution. Hydrogen buses are ideal for high-frequency city routes and intercity services where charging downtime could disrupt operations. The Golden Dragon Polestar hydrogen bus is currently running in multiple cities, demonstrating real-world practicality. Fleets have expanded rapidly, proving the technology is scalable. Hydrogen buses are operational today, not a concept. Passengers enjoy quiet, smooth rides, cities benefit from cleaner air, and transit authorities gain flexible, efficient operations. Hydrogen fuel cell buses are central to China's sustainable zero-emission transport strategy. Trend number 4. Electric and automated trucks. China is transforming logistics with electric and AI-assisted trucks. These vehicles manage speed, lane control and braking automatically, reducing driver fatigue, accidents, and human error. Fleet operators gain lower operating costs, better scheduling, and reduced maintenance. Electric trucks like BYD 8T are also being exported internationally, proving that green freight transport is commercially viable. Autonomous features include predictive AI for traffic, route optimization, and driver monitoring. Combining electric propulsion with automation allows logistics networks to scale efficiently while lowering emissions. By integrating AI and electric power, China is creating sustainable, intelligent freight networks that reduce environmental impact and improve road safety. These trucks set a global benchmark for modern logistics solutions. Trend number 5, hydrogen heavy truck. Demo lines. China isn't just testing hydrogen trucks, it is deploying them on dedicated demo corridors. In Hubei province, a hydrogen energy demonstration line has introduced 30 heavy trucks into commercial operations along expressways. These trucks leverage liquid hydrogen fuel cell technology, offering over 600 kilometers of range per refill, rivaling diesel trucks, but without emissions. Refueling takes minutes instead of hours, making them practical for real-world logistics. Hydrogen trucks are equipped with AI-assisted driving, allowing lane control, speed management, and safety monitoring. Fleet managers report lower downtime, better fuel efficiency, and reduced operational costs. This initiative demonstrates that hydrogen-powered heavy trucks are scalable, safe, and commercially viable. China's investments in infrastructure, including fueling stations and safety protocols, pave the way for a hydrogen logistics revolution. Trend number 6, compact driverless minibuses and urban shuttles. Not all autonomous vehicles are large buses. China is pioneering compact driverless minibuses for last-mile urban transit. These small vehicles navigate residential areas, campuses, parks, and commercial zones at speeds up to 45 kilometers per hour. Equipped with LiDAR, cameras, and AI, minibuses detect pedestrians, obstacles, and vehicles in real time. They follow dynamic routes based on demand, providing on-demand, flexible service without human drivers. Benefits include lower operational costs, easy route adjustments, and reduced congestion. They can replace short taxi or ride-hailing trips efficiently. Cities like Shanghai and Nanjing have begun piloting these minibuses, showing high passenger satisfaction. Passengers enjoy seamless boarding, reliable schedules, and smooth, autonomous rides. Trend number 7, integrated smart urban transit. China's innovation goes beyond vehicles. It integrates them into smart city infrastructure. A prime example is the Optics Valley Suspended Monorail in Wuhan, a driverless elevated transit system floating 33 feet above streets on a single overhead track. This system connects transit hubs efficiently, reduces congestion, and provides unique panoramic views. Smart traffic management integrates buses, monorails, and ride-sharing vehicles into a coordinated network. Real-time data from IoT sensors, cameras, and AI platforms ensures smooth operations, predictive maintenance, and optimized energy use. This trend demonstrates how China is redesigning urban mobility at the network level, making cities more efficient, safe, and environmentally friendly. Trend number 8, exporting Chinese transit tech globally. China's electric and autonomous buses are exported worldwide, including countries like Pakistan, Thailand, and Brazil. These buses showcase advanced autonomous tech, hydrogen fuel cells, and electric drivetrains. Global deployment improves urban mobility, reduces emissions, and accelerates adoption of zero-emission public transit worldwide. Exported technology includes autonomous minibus fleets, smart traffic integration, and AI fleet management systems. Countries adopting these solutions benefit from tested, operational transit solutions, avoiding the need to reinvent complex systems. This global export strategy positions China as a leader in next-gen transit technology, shaping mobility solutions across continents. Trend number 9, ride-sharing and AI transit synergy. China is blending autonomous vehicles with ride-sharing and AI-powered mobility services. Baidu Apollo Go. Autonomous taxis have served hundreds of thousands of riders, showcasing how AI vehicles can operate beyond fixed routes. Dynamic routing, demand-responsive scheduling, and real-time monitoring make these services reliable, safe, and efficient. Integration with city traffic systems ensures minimal congestion and smooth passenger transfers. Combining ride-sharing, autonomous vehicles, and public transit demonstrates future-ready urban mobility, where convenience, sustainability, and efficiency intersect. This synergy creates cost-effective, flexible transport solutions and hints at a world where AI-driven transit adapts seamlessly to passenger needs. Trend number 10. Policy, infrastructure, and industry scale-up. What powers this revolution? Policy, infrastructure, and investment. China's government actively supports autonomous transit, hydrogen refueling networks, and electric fleet deployment. Regulations, subsidies, and pilot programs accelerate adoption and create confidence for manufacturers and cities. Infrastructure includes hydrogen fueling stations, IoT-enabled bus depots, smart traffic management systems, and AI-enabled fleet coordination. This ecosystem approach ensures that vehicles are not standalone but integrated into a full-scale intelligent transport network. Industry and government collaboration ensures scalability, safety, and operational efficiency. The result? A futuristic transport system running today, ready to expand to more cities and international markets. China's futuristic buses and trucks are not prototypes. They are operational, scaling fast, and influencing how the world approaches mobility. From autonomous city buses, hydrogen trucks, compact minibuses, to integrated smart urban transit, the future of transportation is already on the roads. These trends show how AI, green energy, and smart infrastructure combine to create safe, efficient, and sustainable urban mobility. Which trend surprised you the most? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into disruptive tech shaping the future.